final debate this evening, the face-off as the Mamata government moves a censure motion over the Jai Shri Ram slogans as the Bengal face-off continues. Take a look.
अब हम स्वागत करना चाहेंगे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ममता बनर्जी का मंच पर। आप लोग जरा सा शांत हो जाएं। आप लोग जरा शांत हो जाएं और इस पावन अवसर पर श्रीमती ममता बनर्जी को मौका दीजिए कुछ शब्द कहने का।
नहीं, मेरे को तो लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम का कोई डिग्निटी होना चाहिए। एक गवर्नमेंट का प्रोग्राम है, कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का प्रोग्राम नहीं है। ऑल पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का और गवर्नमेंट पब्लिक का प्रोग्राम है। मैं तो आभारी हूँ प्रधानमंत्री जी का, कल्चरल मिनिस्ट्री का, कि आप लोगों ने कोलकाता में प्रोग्राम बनाया, लेकिन किसी को आमंत्रण करके, निमंत्रित करके उसको बेइज्जत करना ये आपको शोभा नहीं देता है। मैं फिर आप लोगों को कहेंगे, यही ऑन प्रोटेस्ट ऑफ दैट आई एम नॉट टेलिंग एनीथिंग। जय हिंद, जय बांग्ला।
On January 23rd, Mamata Banerjee claimed she was insulted in front of the Prime Minister when Jai Shri Ram slogans were raised against her. And this showdown has become the biggest political headline in the state of West Bengal. TMC is planning to move censure motion on the floor of the House over sloganeering at the event.
যদি তুমি বন্দুক দেখিয়েছো, আমি কিন্তু বন্দুকের সিন্দুক দেখাবো। আমায় যদি বন্দুক দেখিয়েছো, আমি সিন্দুক ভরা বন্দুকের সিন্দুক দেখাবো। কারণ আমি সত্যিকারের বন্দুকে বিশ্বাস করি না, আমি রাজনীতিতে বিশ্বাস করি।
But the Congress and left have decided to dump Mamata on this move.
नाटकबाजी बंद होनी चाहिए, शांतिपूर्वक ढंग से चुनाव संपन्न हो, ये सभी लोगों को प्रयास उसका करना चाहिए।
With the censure motion move, is Mamata government making its objection to Jai Shri Ram slogans official? Let's debate.
It's a straight face-off between Shishir Bajoria, who's the convener of the election committee of the BJP in Bengal, versus Riju Datta, political analyst leaning towards the Trinamool Congress, joining us on the debate. It's a straight face-off. Story so far: a censure motion moved in the Legislative House to express strong disapproval of certain policies or acts. Censure motion likely to be placed in the House on the 28th of January, and this is going to be another face-off over the Jai Shri Ram sloganeering on Parakram Divas. Shishir Bajoria, what is your party's official response to what Mamata Banerjee is doing?
Well, first of all, what I gather is in the assembly today, a vote took place. There was a whip issued by Trinamool Congress. And to the best of my knowledge, 101 MLAs voted with the whip. I take it that this government has now become a minority government, and the leader of the House, that is the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, is now on her way fixing an appointment with the Honorable Governor to submit the resignation of the party, of their government. The government, where the magical number is 148, they are down to 101 because there's a whip. That's number one. Number two, since when has Jai Shri Ram become an offense? Since when it has become an insult? In our country, different people greet differently. I give you just 2 or 3 greetings. The Indian Army, everybody, every soldier, officer greets Jai Hind. Many citizens, a huge number of citizens greet Jai Shri Ram. A huge number of citizens greet Jai Shri Krishna. Mamata Banerjee herself wishes goodbye to everybody by saying Khuda Hafiz, Inshallah. First of all, I don't even understand how does Khuda Hafiz go with Inshallah, but at every government function, she wishes. So, and in what way was she insulted? When she herself can use...
No. Shishir Bajoria, you're saying that, on what basis are you claiming? Is that official? I'm trying to look it up. Is it true? Is it true, Riju, that your party is in minority now? That's what Shishir Bajoria is claiming with 101 MLAs out of 294. Is that correct?
First of all, good evening. And I don't know where Shishir Bajoria gets his facts and who does his research, but certainly something like that has not come to my notice. Now, regarding the Jai Shri Ram slogan at the Desh Nayak Divas on the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's 125th birth anniversary, I just want to say, like Shishir Bajoria said, Jai Shri Ram used to be a very warm blessing in this country and warm greeting in this country. It was used to greet people in this country. But BJP, with their communal and divisive politics, have politicized the name of Ram in such a way that it has become a lynching war cry, a bullying tagline, and now it is used to heckle the virtue of a woman in the presence of the Prime Minister of this country. It was not a political event, neither it was a religious event. There was even the RSS, even the RSS chief has said, even the RSS chief, which is the mother organization of BJP, has said,
what heckle are you talking about? She is the one who arrested 6 youngsters
it was the event of the birth anniversary of a martyr.
And you're talking about heckling.
If you would have
and she says it's an insult. She has even said, you call me to somebody's house and slap me. Is Jai Shri Ram a slap?
With Jai Shri Ram. It was
look,
why?
I am a Hindu.
Close event.
How can Jai Shri Ram be an insult? And even Mamata Banerjee in her speech, she said, I'm a Hindu. I'm a practicing Hindu. She has said, in what way is it a slap or an insult?
And to spoil.
So when she says, Inshallah, it is okay. Riju Babu, why don't you answer this? When she says Inshallah, is it okay? First of all, she even mixes up Inshallah with
they have disrespected Netaji. See, Shishir Bajoria is still talking about religious divide. He's still talking about Allah and Ram. Allah and Ram are both a part of this country. Why are you have a problem with
Raghupati Raghav Raja?
Shishir Bajoria ji. And if I remember properly, for 20 years you have been a communist. Why have you left your ideology and suddenly you have
My dear friend, this happened only because of our Honorable Chief Minister. I call her Honorable because she's still my Chief Minister.
Jai Shri Ram, we have no issue with Jai Shri Ram. But 3 months
from now, you may not have an issue. She had an issue in front of the Prime Minister. She said this is an insult. You may not have an issue. Riju Babu, you're sitting on a Trinamool platform.
The problem is you BJP people do not understand the dignity of a government program. When you send invites to the hooligans of your party,
so when the Honorable Chief Minister ends a government program by saying Khuda,
this is the only program when the Prime Minister and the Chief Minister forgot their political divide and they shared the same stage to
answer my question. Answer my question. Don't go on a rant, please. I request you, answer my question.
And shared the stage.
You have no other option but to go on ranting.
What is your question?
Please answer my question. When the Honorable Chief Minister says,
please tell me what is your
when
question.
The Honorable Chief Minister ends a government program by saying, Inshallah, Khuda Hafiz. How does the two go together? Please ask any Imam. How does Khuda Hafiz go with Inshallah? But I'm not going into that. If that wishing is perfectly acceptable, then how is Jai Shri Ram not acceptable to you?
No, I'm not even talking of you, Riju Babu. I'm talking of the Honorable Chief Minister. Never has Mamata Banerjee in a government program used religious slogans, and in programs like Eid ul-Fitr or in any Durga Puja programs. I think BJP's people are selectively deaf. They do not remember the the Hindu shloks for respecting Ma Durga or Ma Kali that Mamata Banerjee says on stage before saying this slogan. And I am also saying,
my dear friend, Riju Babu, please,
I will also slay La ilaha
illallah
Muhammad Rasulullah, because that is the constitution of this country. That is the culture of this Bengal. But you are selectively deaf. You don't understand. You don't see that
Jai Shri Ram is an insult. By the way, the Honorable Chief Minister has gone a step further. You may not know. She's gone a step further and said, if you call me to your house and you slap me, how will that be?
Okay,
so she's even said that Jai Shri Ram
I will ask
is a
you
slap.
one final question. You have asked me a question. I will ask you a question, Shishirji, rather than ranting. Just step away from this Jai Shri Ram thing. You are fighting, you are contesting the Bengal elections. What is your party's agenda on development, infrastructure, good governance? And what is your answer to Duare Sarkar, Khaddo Shati, Konna Shati? What is your answer? What is your political manifesto for the development of people of Bengal?
Can I answer, Riju Babu?
Politics or Ram Bharosa party?
Can I answer,
Yes,
Riju
please
Babu?
answer.
Can I answer your question?
Please come on development.
Okay.
Forget this.
My answer to...
Please answer, sir. Please.
My answer to Dware Sarkar is very simple. 10 years, you only did Tolabaji, Tanashahi. You did, and now on your way out, you remember the dwar of people.
All this
now listen to my
does
answer.
not go with the
Listen
people
to my
anymore,
answer.
Shishirji.
If you had worked for 10 years,
how many
if you had
UN
worked for 10 years,
recognitions
you
you
would
have got?
not have to go to Dware.
BJP has
in the last 2 months.
ruled the country for
last
6
2
years.
months,
No.
you are thinking of the
Kanasri
dwar of
won an
people.
UN award.
The last
in
few
a row,
months,
the central government
on the
has
last
given
few months,
the
you
best
thought of
agricultural
Dware.
state to Bengal.
You talk of Sri.
Number one in MSME.
You got so many Sris.
Number
This
one
Sri,
in
that Sri, the
agriculture
other
produce.
Sri. Which Sri
the
has
country is
worked?
burning with
Which
the farm
Sri
law.
of yours has worked?
West Bengal is
So
the
what
only
do you say?
state
I
where
have
the
got an
farmers'
international
income has
award.
gone
My dear friend,
triple.
my dear
The
friend,
farmers' income
forget
has
your
become
international
triple
awards. Look
in the
at the
last
award
10
of the
years
people.
in Mamta
The
Reddy.
people are
And
not
Mamta
blessing
Banerjee
you.
is the
That is
only
why you have to
chief
go to
minister who has
Dware.
never used
You know what
religious
Dware means?
propaganda to forward her cause. She has always worked on development. She has always worked on good governance.
So,
And
okay, can I
the
give you
best thing is when
development?
talk about
What she has worked?
Tolabaji, when
Where
you talk
did-
about
you
when
know
you
what?
talk about
How she has worked for
lectures
development?
about
The debt of the
non-violence
country, the
by
debt of the state
genocidal
from
works
1,94,000 crores has gone to
You know,
5 lakh
lectures
crores.
on
A
violence
newborn
by
baby in this
genocidal
state
work
is used to be born with a debt of
And
25,000
remember, sir,
rupees.
and you
Now a
remember
newborn
one
is
thing.
born with a debt of 55,000 rupees.
Why don't
And
you
this
pay
is your
our
development?
GST? Why
This
didn't
is your
you pay
development?
why don't you ask Modi ji to pay our GST of 86,000 crores? Why are you not paying our GST of
My dear
86,000
friend, my dear
crores?
friend,
Why is the
my dear
BJP
friend,
central government
this
not paying it?
state which used to produce
Answer my question. Is this
30%
country for
of the
one
industrial
particular
production,
man
which
or
had
is this
accounted for
country for everybody?
35% of the country's
you think
GDP,
India runs
when
on the
you
whims
took
and
over,
fancies
it
of
was
one
down to
particular
6%.
man?
Now when you hand
How
over the
arrogant
state,
can you be?
and we
How
will be the one
ignorant
who will
can
be
you
taking
be?
the state
You
forward,
should be
it will be
ashamed.
5%. You will be, yeah, you should be ashamed.
Is this
You're now
country for one
5% where the
particular
state
man or
was
Shishir
is this
Bajoria,
country for
Shishir Bajoria and
everybody?
Riju
Sonar
Datta.
Bangla, you have finished
Shishir
it.
Bajoria
this
and Riju
question.
Datta, I have not intervened for the last almost 10 minutes. I have not intervened. Okay. You know what? 10 minutes. This has been on auto mode because both of you have been having a go at each other. But I have two questions as I end the debate because we've lost time. You know, we've run out of time. To Shishir Bajoria, was there a reason to, could it have been avoided on Parakram Divas? Could you have avoided using the
Well,
Jai
first
Shri Ram
of all, let
slogans
me be
at
very
the
clear.
event? It was not a political event. That's the question. No, I have to end. I'm
Absolutely.
leaving our viewers with that question. And Riju Datta,
very-
is Mamata
very
Banerjee
simple
being too
answer,
touchy?
Niranjan.
Too
Niranjan,
touchy
a very
about it?
simple answer. This
And why
was
she
not
so
premeditated.
nervous? Okay, with those
This-
two
this
questions,
is not
could the
premeditated.
BJP have not provoked? Is the TMC being too touchy? Is Mamata nervous? With those questions, we'll take your leave on the debate tonight. Arnab Goswami will be back tomorrow at 9 p.m. Thanks for watching.